Welcome back everybody to another home tour with Dallas Contemporary Homes, where we get your Dallas Contemporary home bought and sold fast and simple every time, period. Today's video is coming to you from 3026 Cortez Court over in Irving, Texas. There's the listing agent, Berkshire Hathaway Penn Fed. Remember, you want a buyer's agent, us, not the listing agent, especially for a property like this. And this is a mid-century modern design, really cool place. And I just wanted to change it up and show you that there is more out there than just contemporary design. There's also mid-century modern farmhouse, and a few others. So this place has been fully redone and renovated, and it shows cool layout. It took the unusual architecture from the middle of the 1900s and modernized it to make a unique place that I thought was really cool, that would be neat to show y'all. So wanted to bring you here and let you see what we got. Got the little fireplace, digital, cool design here. A lot of open space, you'll see that pretty quickly. And that's something that I find really attractive. And as you know, that is a key component of contemporary and modern design. So you got open floor plan, really nice stairwell. It takes you to some upstairs bedrooms, but while we're down here, we may as well take a look and see what we got. Redid the floors. This is a little area that you could use as a family room, a game room, a study, a sunroom. And got some cool architecture here. It's got some character that I really like. And got the open kitchen. I like that the countertop actually faces out into the hosting space so that you can get the benefit of not having to have your back to your guest. Here's a massive laundry room. And you have your garage here. There's stuff in here from the work they're doing, but you can see good sized garage. So as you notice, lots of white, lots of gray, lots of stainless steel, which that is all part of the contemporary and modern theme. And that's really what brings the mid-century modern. Here you got stainless appliances, double oven, good deep sink, stainless dishwasher, nice elegantly blended range top with the vent hood there, cool light fixtures, plenty of cabinet space. Great pantry space. This is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, about 2,900 square feet. And it makes great usage of all of that space. Fantastic pantry, great hosting space. This home really has a lot of character, which comes through. That's one of the coolest things about the mid-century modern design, is you also get a lot of the elements of the old and the new. There's a half bath for your guest, the powder bath as we like to call it in the industry. And this is your owner's suite. Nice window, great natural lighting up here to really bring that mid-century element into the modern features. And there's the closet. Nice little closet. It's not massive like some of the other closets I've shown you, but remember, this home was built in 1979. So they have taken that character and tied it in with a lot of the modern concepts, like this beautiful tub. Look at that. Good deep tub. Take a great bath in there, and of course you got your stand-up shower for those of you who like to shower. But you don't have to compromise. You can do both. And there is the commode, double sink, dual vanity. We used to use a different set of terminology to describe the now owner suite, but housing of urban development required that we make some changes and we adapt on the fly. While we're still down here, before I take you upstairs, let's take a look at this nice yard. This has a great yard space. Great yard. And they really did not skip over any elements on this remodel. And it shows. The attention to detail is great, which is not always the case with a remodel. But they did not leave any stones unturned in this one. There is HVAC system, fresh HVAC. And let's go back inside. Take a look upstairs. What do we have there? And this stairwell is just really cool. Hosting your guests. Isn't that a great view? Nice exposed wood beam across, good truss. Here's one of your bedrooms. Nice view from this bedroom, overlooking the yard. Room has great size. Great closet space also. I'll show you the closet in here. Again, the closet is not massive relative to some of the other ones you've seen. However, keep in mind this house was built in the 1970s. Bath, another double sink. This is nice. Updated shower. Again, they really paid attention to detail in this property, and it shows. Another bedroom. Another view. The bedrooms are really a great size in here. Nice view. There's your driveway out there. Closet. This one has a lot of shelf space in it. Every closet gets its own character, which is also nice. And here is your fourth and final bedroom. More closet space. So again, every bedroom gets its own unique closet. This one has the double closet, which neither of the others had. It's just panning out so you can see it. But you see, if you've been following the other videos, how this property has its own unique character. It feels kind of old, but that's the point. It also feels very new, which is also the point. That's why we call it mid-century modern, because a well-done mid-century modern effectively blends a lot of the concepts and characteristics that you would expect in a home of today. And it combines that with the feel, flow, and the feng shui of the homes of yesteryear, which will probably never be reconstructed again. So if you like something that's got its own character, that isn't just run-of-the-mill cookie cutter like a lot of these homes being built today are, but you're not quite ready to go full contemporary, then mid-century modern is probably gonna be your cup of tea. No rhyme intended, but it did work. And like I said, this also falls under our wheelhouse. We do not just do new homes. We do all styles and types of homes, but contemporary modern, mid-century modern. If it has anything modern or contemporary, that is us. So remember, at Dallas Contemporary Homes, we get your Dallas Contemporary home bought and sold, fast and simple, period. Visit us on the web at dallascontemporaryhomes.com or give us a call if you have any particular questions or a property of interest that you would like more information about. 903-664-5908 is the number. And again, DallasContemporaryHomes.com is where you will find us on the interwebs. Remember, at Dallas Contemporary Homes, we get your Dallas Contemporary home bought and sold, fast and simple, period. Catch you on the next one.